chapter of the QBasic, we have learned about the concept of the programming language. As we know that the programming language is very much important for the creating any programs. Okay, so QBasic is the basic elementary programming language which is used to create certain simple programs. In the class 6 you learn you will learn about the how we program through the QBasic. We have already learned about the some common elements of the QBasic, that is the statement, variable, constant. Okay, in this part of this chapter I am going to describe about how we create the QBasic programs and run it. As we know that in QBasic we run the program through the F5 key. F5 key is the shortcut key of to run a QBasic program. So first of all, we have to be we have to be download the QBasic program application through the internet in either 32-bit or 64-bit as per your computer operating system. Okay, now creating the and saving a program. How we create the program and saving a program. So first of all, I am going to show I have downloaded a QBasic program, that is the QBasic 64. I just open this folder and then here you see that the application is there, that is the QBasic. So you have to be open this application. First of all, as you open this application, you will show here this is the programming window of the QBasic. The first of all, on the upper part is the title bar, and this is untitled, and there is a lots of menu is here. That is the file, edit, view, search, run option. So this is the working area of the QBasic workspace, and here we have to be write certain statements. Statement is basically the command. So the first statement that I have mentioned in the chapter, that is the RAME. Okay, RAME stands for the remarks. So remarks में मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया, and then what about the you are going to be write the code of the program. So मैंने the definition of computer. I have to define definition of the computer. Okay, so this is the RAM is not executable. It is only for the as a title of the code that you have mentioned in this workspace in this program. So now if you want to if you want to know about the print command, that is the print statement, what it does, then we have to do there, that is the print. Simply we have to write in the terms as we mentioned earlier there, print space double quote, and then write the statement, write the elements that you have to be mentioned, write the sentence, write the string status. So strings should be always enclosed with the double quote. Whenever we print any document, whenever we want to output any sentence, and that is in the alphabets, that should be always enclosed with the double quote. So we create the double quote and write here, computer is an, simply I am just writing, computer is an electronic device which is used to give the output as we give the input. Okay, तो डबल कोट क्लोज. और यहाँ पे आप देखिए ये मैंने लिख दिया है प्रिंट में. अब हम ये इसको रन कैसे करें, हाउ इट गोज टू रन. So we have a run menu here and start F5. Okay, we have also put the F5 key, start, and this is creating exe file, compiling the program, and then you will show here the a output window which comes on the screen, that is in the black color. Okay. Here you see that this is the output window where we have to, this is the sentence that have been print to the print command. Okay, I think you have got this, and hopefully you can do this in a simple way. You can also type the various type of strings or the numerical in this way. You can also save it. If you want to save this, then go to the file menu and save. Basically and type the name, that is the ABS1 and that is the APS, and that is in the form of the bash file. QBasic is the extension of the QBasic, that is the bash file, and okay. So this is the untitled goes to remove, and there is the file name is the aps1.bash, and you have to close this program. Okay, so in this way we create the simple program through the print statement. I hope so you can understand very well, and you got it all these things. Thank you, students.